Hey Mini fans out there, we have a special guest today. It's a 2004 Mini Cooper S supercharged R53. I'm such a huge fan of these cars, especially with a manual transmission like this one. Great car, 1.6 liter engine with a supercharger, the only generation, that's Gen 1 that came with a supercharger. After that, BMW decided to go with the Prince engine with a turbocharger, which has had its fair share of issues. This is a tank of an engine, really good, well designed, made in Brazil. They put the same engine in a whole bunch of other different cars like Dodges and other stuff, whatever. But in this car, they did a really, really nice job. This is in great condition. They typically rust in a couple of places, typically behind the taillights, but this one has been really well kept. Came to us for with a bad clutch, which is regular stuff for these vehicles. It's a big job because the clutch, of course, sits in between the engine and the transmission. You gotta get the transmission out so you can replace it, right? So you have changed the pressure plate and then the flywheel. We also change always the slave cylinder, very important. Then with that, this car's gonna have a long life ahead of it. So let me show you how that's done. So we have the R53 on the left. A lot of times people ask us, whoa, why is it so expensive, the clutch replacement? Well, because it's a lot of work. It's 10.5 hours. The reason is that obviously the clutch comes in between the engine, right there. This is the engine, right? And the transmission. So I have to get the transmission out, right? To replace this thing that comes in the middle. The clutch has two main parts to it. The actual pressure plate and the clutch itself. This is right here. So this is what wears out generally. The asbestos in here, this is what with time just wears out. And then the flywheel. This is important to replace also. Some people like to refinish them, resurface them. I don't think it's a good idea, because if it doesn't turn out perfect, you have to do the job again. I don't think so, right? Along with this, it's crucially important to replace also the slave cylinder. Don't ask me why. We've learned that lesson the hard way. We prefer the lock kit because this is a factory clutch that comes with a car, and it also has this nice tool to allow us to align it properly when we are installing it. So this is a very nice kit, the one that we always use. So there you go. Job is done. Check engine lights off. And this thing is absolutely perfect. Drives like butter. I love it. Ooh. The definition of a toy car. You can get your hands in one of these, especially with such great mileage as this one. Don't hesitate. They are beautiful.